ask us about the Bluemels adjustable nuts here. These come in and they're quite often damaged, like this one with mole grips or some sort of wrench, because they seize onto the back of the steering wheel here, where they can press these splined fingers here onto the column itself to lock it on. It's a telescopic arrangement, and this screws onto the back of the steering wheel to lock the steering wheel on the column there. But you can see this was made by Bluemels, and you can see the patent number and Bluemels name on the back of the nut there. These were superseded into the later 1960s by this type of nut, which gives the driver a little bit more leverage when undoing them, but they still seize, and you can see we had to cut this one off, and I gather these are available new, so they were fitted to later Jensens and Austin Healey's and cars of the 1960s mainly. But these all Bluemels, and it was their patented way of locking a steering wheel onto a column.